Hi friends, today we have Mr. Pradeep Kumar,
Hi.
Transplantation
Yeah.
with Dr. Vekataram Mysore.
Yep.
So tell us, Mr. Kumar, how do you feel today?
I'm feeling pretty good, quite normal as usual. Even last day, yesterday I had a surgery, a transplantation, and it went pretty smooth. Before the start of the surgery, they explained us everything, what actually the procedure is, how it's gonna be, how long the duration is gonna be. They were pretty much clear on that part. That helped me to understand the procedure, and it made to make myself comfortable and be ready for that surgery.
So how did you, get to know about the Venkat Center?
Actually, I used to stay here near Vijayanagar, and even I did my own research, searching for a best doctors and the clinic. And I found here, and even I got a good reviews on Google, and even I have followed few videos on the YouTube as well, which I felt comfortable. Then I came and met Dr. Venkat, and the way he explained about the procedure and everything, I felt more comfortable and thought to give a chance to go ahead with the surgery.
Okay. Do you have anything to say about the doctors and staff?
Our
regarding-
doctors are pretty much good, and they are very much knowledgeable persons, and they know what they are doing. And more important thing is that they give the suggestion and the recommendation, and it's up to the patients to take a call on that. That's a pretty good thing. Like I liked it. It's not one like if you go to any other center, they try to insist to do that sort of a surgery, this sort of things. But there's no such things. They give you multiple options, and they provide a sufficient time to go back to home and think about it. That's one of the important thing which I lacked it. And Dr. Venkat is one of the most humble and good person. He's always ready to take up all the queries patiently to explain about the queries and the answers. That is pretty much good. And even yesterday, all over the procedure, the patients, technicians, everyone was quite friendly. And before starting anything, they would used to tell me that even while drawing the blood, for what purpose they are drawing the blood, and if they do something, they will tell us in clearly before the surgery. That was a good thing. And even during the surgery, after the surgery,
Yeah.
post surgery, what needs to be done, that has been pretty much clear. So
So do you feel, now that you've had the surgery yesterday,
Yeah.
are you feeling any discomfort? Any
not
pain?
at all, not at all. I'm pretty much good. After surgery, I reached back home by 6:30. There was a light might head heavy over my overhead. I mean forehead.
Forehead.
Not complete head, only on the forehead. It was little heavy. Then I went. I spent quite time alone watching TV. Then by 8:39, I had my dinner, and I had few tablets, prescribed tablets, and I went to the bed as usual. And it was quite good sleep, and I woke up lately around 8:30. During over the sleep, I didn't have any issue, and got ready and came back here for a follow-up consultation, and it all went smoothly.
So are you satisfied with the procedure yesterday?
Very much, very much.
And are you going to recommend our center?
Yeah, very much. Whoever who wants to have a hair plantation or any other surgery, I would 100% suggest to them.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Thank
Kumar.
you. Thank you.